We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common cause of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M118dw. So first thing you want to do is pull down this guy right here, and this is one of your level indicators. Right here at the top, you want to make sure that that is not filled over it, and then you also want to make sure this is adjusted to the correct paper size on the front and also on the side, because you can change it for envelopes and stuff. So if you see that it's kind of warped a little bit, go ahead and make sure that it's laid down flat. And then when you add new paper, go ahead and take all of the paper out, put your new paper with your old paper, line it up. And then you want to fan it out a little bit. Sometimes the condensation in the air can cause the pages to stick together. So then fan it out, line it back up, and then put the whole thing in there. You never want to just add your paper in there, because what it could do is it could cause this to curl, which would cause a paper jam. So if you're in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.